How to change address in HDFC bank account. First of all, log into your HDFC NetBanking account using your customer ID and password. Once logged in, you will see your account dashboard. Now, click on the profile details option located at the top menu. From the left hand side, choose update address. Here, your current address will be displayed. Scroll down to view the list of accepted documents for address proof. These include Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, voter ID, job card, or a letter issued by the National Population Register. If you have any of these documents, click on the update button to proceed. Your personal details will be fetched automatically. Next, go to the mailing address section. Delete your old address and carefully enter the new address where you want all future communication to be sent. Once done, click on Continue. Now it's time to upload the address proof. From the drop-down menu, select the document type you are using. Then, click on the plus icon to browse and upload the scanned copy or image of the selected document. After selecting the file, click on Upload. You will see a message saying Address Proof Uploaded. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Submit button. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message that your request has been received. HDFC Bank will verify your details and your new address will be updated in your records within 2 working days. And that's it. Now you know how to change address in HDFC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.